Interesting. I'm gonna die here. Oh my god, we got another level.
Don't push. Oh, okay. If you tell me not
like,
to do it,
let's
I'm
push it.
gonna hit it.
Don't!
Snacks is looking at it really hard.
We're gonna fall. I did it on
Hopefully you hit that
accident.
one.
I didn't even do it on purpose because I was watching you guys. What?
Damn it, Biddy.
Hit!
The first time I did it on purpose. This time you're just like straight up jumping on it.
I did.
Okay, that wasn't me that time. Cool.
I felt left out of pushing the button, guys. Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, you guys go first. I don't like one. I don't like one second.
Oh my god. Oh lord, what do you guys say now?
Curiosity killed the cat.
Curiosity killed the cat. Facts.
Okay, look at
Are
it.
you coming?
Okay,
We
look at it.
require you to go forward. Thank you. Yep. All right. My little character never jumped so high in its life. Come on, Snacks, you can do it.
Don't you dare, you cuck! You jump over that fucking button!
Ooh.
Don't. No. Come on. We can do this! Oh my god. Dude, can you imagine playing this with fucking 10 people?
Oh my
No.
god.
I don't even want to imagine.
Oh!
Biddy.
I'm gonna get 10 people. We're gonna play this game. Coda, did you want to join us for the next round? I like how we did it on purpose a couple times and now no one's doing it on purpose. Okay. Oh
Whoops,
my
what?
god. That button, dude. It's a deadly button.
Not go first. Oh.
Shit.
Right.
Oh,
Hey everyone, it's Jumpman here, one of your resident mods. If you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow the Twitch link for live action.
give me a home.
I've never been so anxious about...
I thought I was green.
And the deer and the antelope.
Coda, wake up, buddy.
Oh.
Dude, Sushi fucking cursed us.
Where seldom is heard a discouraging word.
What are you singing?
Home on the range. Where the deer and the antelope play. Oh.
Ah!
Yep. Oh my god.
I'm jumping too far.
The first time I did it on purpose. This time I'm just like, I'm just
It's
trying to get
not
through the level.
on purpose. I just want to win. We gotta do this.
It's 2 steps forward and 2 steps back. Come on.
No! I got it. Did you say, oh my? Bruh, you put the bad omen on us. You're like, oh, look, a button. And now we can't get out of the first 2 buttons. I'm gonna fucking die.
Mm.
Yes! Oh, this is a lot of pressure.
Hey, David, how you doing? Sorry, I'm just playing a little Pico Park with a couple of others.
We got a stack.
I'm trying to avoid
God,
dying.
Joe.
Whew.
Got the key.
Okay, okay.
Oh my god.
Whatever you do, don't hit a button.
No! What the hell are you two doing?
They're plotting.
Go
Plotting.
in the door. Don't. Get in the hole. No.
Okay. Yeah. Oh.
Sushi. Yes.
How you doing, Faded? It's good to see you. We finally beat Pico Park. Oh my god.
Did we beat all the levels?
Yeah, that's it
Oh
for
my God.
all levels.
Were the guards full time?
First part.
Wish
wait,
there
wait,
was
wait,
a
there's another
TTS
page.
for Billy Witch Doctor from Aqua
There's
Teen
what?
Hunger
No,
Force.
that's where. That's all. Oh my God, there is more. Wish there was a TTS
Oh,
for
frustrates
Billy
so many
Witch
people playing
Doctor
this game.
from Almo.
I've been doing that as it is. So
All right, dude. Have a
I am.
wonderful night. Download this so you can play with us tomorrow. What
What
the
the
hell
heck?
is
Oh,
that?
and everybody's dead. Okay.
It looks like a tongue.
Huh?
Don't make it angry.
Ow.
Why am I the only one that's surviving right now?
It knows you're the male.
Oh,
Okay, I'm gonna get the.
damn right.
What do we have to do?
I don't know.
Maybe one person go. Hey, thanks for the resub, buddy. Appreciate you.
Chicken arise. Arise, chicken arise.
Oh, my lord. Okay,
Maybe trigger it and
just
then run
one
back.
person go. Just one person.
Yeah, I'm trying to go slow. See if it'll not freak out. He's a sleepy boy.
Why am I like crouching as this is happening?
Hey, look at that. Look
So
at
we just
that.
gotta like really like quietly walk. We can't run.
Yep.
Oh,
He didn't like that.
Oh my god. Get it.
Faded has the right idea. She got big brain over here.
Snacks and I are like one step at a time.
My thoughts are like, I should run.
Right, you
Goose.
just like.
Just cause.
Make the
It's a
jump.
sleepy baby. Duh. Yeah, I mean, you ain't wrong. Oh.
Oh my god.
Just had her run for it.
All right. Together,
Get off of
slowly,
me.
slowly, slowly. What if we? Oh no, we can't stack, huh? So we'll hit the
I'm
thing.
just gonna hate out in the back. Just gonna wait.
I'm trimming my nails because this game gives me anxiety.
Just grab the key, Snacks. It's okay. Yeah. Go. Don't run. I swear you're gonna run at the last second. I feel it. I feel it coming.
Jack, stop
I'm
looking back. You're giving me.
gonna be.
I will
I'm
get a
gonna be-
plane ticket and fly there just to kick your ass.
I'm gonna be way in the back, and I'm just gonna get murked. It was you, Biddy. It was you. You're the one.
God, I had to get the key. I couldn't get it past back to crayons. Why does he keep putting snacks in front of us? Why are you like playing with fate? You like extra slap.
Oh. Oh. Tequila.
Huh? Go in the door.
Oh, thank God. Okay.
Max, go in the fucking door. I swear to God.
All right, what's the sleepy baby? Move and stop. Okay, that's the name of it. All right, what's next in this one?
That's the best troll game
I
ever.
probably should have read the name of the thing.
Oh, is it red light?
Red light, green
green
light?
Let's go. Let's go.
What happens if you touch it?
Well,
Who
well, you
died?
answered your question.
It's fucking snack, wasn't it?
What happens if you touch it? Yeah, she died.
No, I bounced off of it.
Don't touch the butt.
You just gotta stop when it's red.
Why am I the
Wait,
only
what?
one?
We all are bad at green light, and Sushi's just like, got it. Okay, you can only jump on top of it.
Oh my god.
Oh my.
I'm about to lose my damn mind over here. Little slime boy is about to kill everybody. Oh, it's about to go red. About to go red.
We can't be in front of him. We've got to move. We had to get to the top. He's gonna turn around and come back.
Oh, I moved too soon. My bad.
Oh my god. Okay,
I
run
know,
as fast as you
Flash.
can. Beat the guy. Get on the stairs so he doesn't come back and eat us. There's one mission. Don't run in front of the guy. Stop when it's red. Okay, get up here. Get up here. Go, 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 go. Okay, stop, 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 stop. Oh, Sushi. If it comes back and smacks you, dude.
That's fine. I'll take it.
That was not me. Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh, that, yeah.
We wait
Shit!
on the other side for it to go red and then back to green. The second it hits green, we should go.
We're all so still. I like how it makes like us quiet.
Oh.
Run like you've never ran before.
Okay, then if we wait for it to...
Me and
Got the
Sushi
damn
missed
key.
it.
Alright, I'm going back. I'm going back. I'm
Fuck
going back.
it!
I'm going
No!
back. I'm going back.
Hey. That's
I was
what
Oh.
going
matters.
for the key.
I
I was going for the key, Biddy. That's all I wanted.
We get the key regardless when we go. Not a word.
Oh, yeah, thank you so much for the lurk, man. I appreciate you. Honestly, I need to play some more Diablo myself, but these guys or these ladies decided to rope me into Pico Park, so I've been playing.
Stop.
And you've been having the time of your life.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Okay, let's go.
We're waiting. Are we waiting? Or are we going?
Yeah, wait.
I want the damn
What?
key. I'm getting the fuck
No, get back here, Sushi!
right the
It's
fuck.
okay.
Sushi!
I can make it back in time. I swore, I promise. I tried.
That.
Oh,
Yeah, we definitely need to just wait
Next
on this
play.
side for it. Whoop.
No, it wasn't moving. That's bullshit.
You try to be like me. No. Mm-mm.
I fucking power smash Snacks down in front of him. I'm
Yeah,
sorry,
we
Snacks.
kinda screwed Biddy. Oh, not Biddy. Sorry, Schnecks there for a little bit.
no.
I did it again, Biddy. What the heck?
I don't know purpose.
What do you not like Schnecks? Is that the play?
Red, blue.
All right.
What is the red, blue?
You got ready to rip? By who? Oh my god. Ready, ready, ready. Go, 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 go. Snacks, go. Sorry, I'm being very aggressive, but you know, that's fine.
Uh-oh.
Stop.
Uh-oh. Okay. We made it. Nice.
And how did you not notice?
Okay.
Are you still there, Faded? Hopefully you're doing okay today. Oh.
Pushed everyone. Oh. No, it's red. It's red. Didn't count it. Shh. Why did you
I gotta
stop?
push it like a micrometer. Okay. Well, okay, stop moving.
No, the other way. You gotta push it down.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Get
Uh-oh.
out.
Well,
Oh, you son of a...
Smack, smack.
No.
Red light, green light. We are all adults and we are playing red light, green light.
I'm just
Yeah.
dancing in the corner. All right.
Yeah, it doesn't make you do that for any reason. Speed run, speed run.
Ha! You thought.
Oh, frick, dude.
Nope.
Hello, it's me.
Stop. Good lord.
It's on soundboard.
It's all me.
It's
I'm
up.
on the one. Whoop.
Have a great day, everyone. I wish you all a shit-filled life full of
Fucking
disaster and the slush.
sushi. I thought it was snacks.
Nope, it's me. Oh.
It's just the easiest part. Go push the block over. It's not the.
Well, can I biddy?
All right, we gotta push the block further over. Speed run, speed run.
Hmm.
We make it this time, all the way.
It's funny you want to play a speed run on red light, green light.
I don't know why we're doing this, but okay.
I do love how me and Crayons are just sitting on the side like, look
Said,
at those two idiots
fuck
go.
it and stayed.
Snack's got it. She's gonna win this. Oh.
Go. So we just
Come
gotta
on.
push it far enough for the block to drop down and not on top of someone.
But where's the fun in that?
Bruh, I don't know why I keep continuing to look over at your screen. I don't know why that is my natural response to
Bless you.
look at you.
Yeah. I'm like frozen.
Y'all just fucking stop. Get in the door.
Get in the door.
No, no.
In the door. Uh-oh.
We made it.
Rick.
Get in the door.